Hi everybody, my name is Stephanie Bourne. I'm the Partner Marketing Manager here at Rockwell. And joining me today is Michel, Sicard, and Yvon Hubert, and they are with Bid Group, our OEM Platinum partner. And we are so excited to hear about your story and a little bit more about our Better Together story. So welcome.
Great to be here.
So, Michel, tell me a little bit about Bid Group.
Our brand of a company can tackle all challenges required by our customer. Comac is specialized in wood processing technology and provide design equipment to fully automated saw line for both softwood and hardwood.
So Yvon, when we think about this Better Together story, what does that mean to you and to Bid Group?
Most of the time, relationship between a supplier and an OEM is to negotiate the best price we can. And the only thing it does split the profit in two, and it's not bringing any value there. At least you're losing time. So over time, we have decided and experienced to share how we can make the revenue bigger together. And it's been a positive approach, and there's no way we could leave it on the table. That's a new way of thinking.
So can you tell our audience today, what your role and title is?
I became a senior VP automation a few years ago, and we were trying to change the world. I mean, my background is computer science engineering, and we brought some software technique into that, which is not common in automation world.
I've been newly named VP for IT infrastructure and engineering. So my task is to take in charge all the 17 sites to be sure that they keep linked together, and also taking charge optimization and automation engineering.
So as we talk about this Better Together story between Bid Group and Rockwell, can you think of a challenge or a solution that was made possible by our collaboration?
With the new ecosystem, we were able to simulate and test all our integration prior to send it to a customer site. The customer was requesting for having a new design and improve modification on their site, so This was a real success.
So the customer seeked the solution out from Bid Group.
Exactly.
Okay, fantastic. So what did that collaboration look like? They reached out to you, you worked with your team, and then did you reach out to Rockwell for support and services and products?
Actually, Rockwell helped us to develop the equipment, the simulation package.
What were the type of products or solutions that were Rockwell that were put part of this package?
It's actually an emulation of the processors, and processors are quite expensive. It's hard to share between all the locations we do have.
Okay.
And so in terms of doing a digital twin and being able to do virtual commissioning and pre-test all the software at a reasonable cost, I mean, it was a need, and it was not there a few years ago, and then Rockwell came with that product. And I believe we've done a successful implementation, and for us it means a lot, because with the volume we do process, it's a lot of money.
So what kind of results were actually achieved once everything was implemented and in place?
Basically, just in inventory, it's a good reduction of inventory on our side.
Okay.
But also, since our product is so large, we can't test everything in our shops, so there is no tests in the factory before we ship.
Okay.
And when we meet on the ground and the field, it's important that everything is ready.
What's on the horizon for future collaborations?
Success needs to be feed, so we will continue to build on the new product and continue to achieve better results with the new component, and continue to collaborate with the Rockwell specialists.
Thank you so much for being here, and for our audience watching, thank you so much, and we will see you next time.